Commission so say na ya man kwan ama 19 out of 281 polling stations na Blekuma North no Omanhene de makoya yi na icon incommodate ni nyina no ako oh ya yi free mo. Let's have the cutaways, okay? Yeah, Ana when you hey, may I grace. Okay. Eti MPP call you no amfa. Na enya de MPP beko. Akoto aba no. Wo mo nko. Nya de ombeko. Enti we no say ano court ato omayi na gunu na just electoral commission will go ahead. Appeal there now we appeal and appeal no say besa emfa. Say no the court is being reset. Resetting of the law is the law of the judicial the law is system in Ghana.
The law is the law. Huh? The law is the law.
Yeah, more about it now here.
The law is the law.
The court is being reset.
The law is the law.
I don't say. We how now Chief Justice anti-Chief Justice way. Yeah, we are the sasso there. Then is a no. Then the court is being manipulated. Oh,
now Kuta, it is done. What should I can say? It is done.
As I welcome. Yeah, welcome. Hey, as I'm like who.
I would have by election. It's a by where the rerun. Rerun ebekoso. MPP pill, woman pill, ebekoso. Several court to stop electoral commission.
In this dispensation,
I suspended Chief Justice.
Acting Chief Justice. And
the war.
Ever.
Oh
yes, now you're not being fair to the judges.
Court no, high court no court. It is yes a court normally. It's a system view, it's a technology system be aba. And the case in the court we. And the unless a panel. But when the assembly court two man computer said the panel. The panel bottom. The panel body and it's a computer.
What was their reliefs?
Their reliefs were simple. Say the court should stop the electoral commission from proceeding to rerun 19. So to them, it is left with 3. And the electoral commission, by his own pronouncement, I can't say there's no need for rerun. Again, it has said, he need police protection to protect the outfit and its members so that they can do a collation of the 3. MPP for 7. Court to no so fee say the electoral commission. Probably there could have been an omission somewhere. Now they have realized for sanity to prevail and free and fair elections to be conducted, 19 polling stations should be rerun.
And you know, I say so we know on mine. Say about
what you say?
About say MPP for you. Omo 19 polling station ekoto no. Emu be say 16 now. Omo gidi say it was validly declared no. Omo for documents no